Just sharpening a Spokeshave blade on a jig that I've developed to use on all Waterstone sharpeners. Let me show you it. Hi there, my name's Wayne Burks. I'd like to show you today my Spokeshave jig that fits into most Waterstone sharpeners' square edge jig. It really does complement it, and I've looked all around and haven't been able to find a dedicated Spokeshave jig anywhere. So I thought, do you know what? I'm going to have a go making one. Well, I've come up with it. It's took me a while, but I've come up with it. So I'd like to present it to you and see how we go. See if you like it. If you do, we can buy it. If not, it's up to you. You can try and make one yourself.
The Jaguar Spring Sale, with exclusive offers on selected models of the Jaguar 2021 range, it's time to treat yourself to something extraordinary. Like the all-electric Jaguar I-Pace, with a new F-Pace, with its award-winning design and intuitive technology. Offers available from the 26th of February to the 8th of March online, and from the local retail. Search Jaguar Sale. Extraordinary. No one found. Selected offers only. Terms and conditions apply. At participating retailers only.
Kelly's terrible at yoga, but she's still smiling because she's got a loan promotion finance. Now her debts are consolidated into one simple payment. Happy days, even if yoga makes her break wind. Oops, debt consolidation loans borrow for £5,000 and check your eligibility without affecting your credit.
You can sharpen all thicknesses of blades with this jig, including this Stanley one, which is quite thin. This one again is quite thin, but it will fit in the jig, no problem. Through to your thicker ones, like the Ray Isles one. I mean, that's quite thick, as you can see on that edge. Through to the even thicker Lee Nielsen, which you can see the thickness of that. The jig still works with all thicknesses of blades. Well, I hope that video was helpful for you. If you would like to buy it, you can go to eBay and search Spokeshave jig. I'll go on Facebook and you want Spokeshave whetstone sharpening jig. Thank you very much.